Few people have the opportunity to witness the wildebeest in its natural habitat. I'm one of those rare human beings. I could talk at any volume, actually, and not disturb the wildebeest in its state of habitation. But it does exist, and I cohabitate with this animal. Let me see whether we can observe it without disturbing it. Let's try it. It does appear that the animal is trying to upset me. But it appears, in reality, that it's unintentional. The animal cannot help itself. Instead, it's completely unintentional. It just can't help but make this horrendous animalistic noise as it attempts to sleep, yet disturbs the sleep of all creatures within its reach. So what does this mean for this Tracy creature? It keeps going. I think it might actually be fighting a slow battle against me. I can sleep against pretty much everything, but I think this Tracy animal might be trying to fight against that battle. Because I might be a good sleeper, but nobody or nothing can sleep through that. I'm gonna run the battery. I'm on a camera on this soon. There we go. Let's